Hi everyone. In this video we will see how WhatsApp can be integrated with Google Sheets, or in simpler terms we can say how WhatsApp can be sent only just by using Google Sheets. So let's start the process. So first of all we need to open Google Sheet, and then we need to have some data which will be used in order to send the messages. So data can be in any shape, but right now for example I have taken it in this manner, that first column goes with timestamp, then with name, then with company's name, then the mobile number, then email id, then file. If you want to attach a file along with the message, we can save the link here. Then we have the status column, which will be used to record the date and time of the message which will be sent. And then we have the column, we have put the trigger for the messages which will be sent, and the condition of this trigger is that if we have the value in column A, any value, it can be date, it can be city name, it can be anything. If we have any value in column A, then the messages would be sent, the messages would be triggered in another words. And then this so we have the data in this shape, and we have named this sheet by the name of data. Then we have to create another sheet by the name of WhatsApp content, as you can see. And what we are having here is test mobile. This is that number by which we can test our system. Then this is the mobile number column, and the mobile number is put in the curly brackets. So the use of curly bracket is like when we put the header name from this data sheet, this column, this mobile numbers will be picked up automatically. So then we have the content, the message of the body, which is like hi, the name of the person, email id, and company's name, as you can see, are being put in curly brackets. So the name, email id, and company's name will be automatically fetched from these headers: the name, the company's name, and the email id. So these informations will be picked automatically there, just because they are being put in curly brackets. Then we have WhatsApp id, password, and API. These id, passwords, and API are of that account by which the messages will be sent. So these id and passwords you can get from a link which will be you can get the link by coming on our company's YouTube channel, which is named by Ankur Agarwal, and you can get the links here. So you can create your IDs and password by using this link, and you can create it from here. And then you can also test the file. The file name are also being put in curly brackets, so that the link of the file from data sheet will be fetched automatically, and this sheet name is WhatsApp content. Now what we are supposed to do, that we have to go to the extensions, and then we have to select app scripts. So when we come here, what we are supposed to do, that we have to go to this link, which is our ready code link, and when we click on this link, we will come to this page, and we just need to copy this link and paste the link here. I mean, just have to save it, and then we will have to do smaller changes here, so that our code can work smoothly. So now it is saying that get sheet by name, so it is talking about this sheet which is named as data. So we have to copy the name and we have to paste it here. Similarly, now it is saying get sheet by name another sheet, which name is WA content, which is already here. Then it is talking about status column name. So status column name is this one, so we have to copy and paste the name here. Then it is talking about conditional column name. So conditional column name we have put is trigger. So we have to paste it here. Then it is asking about test mobile number, mobile column number, message column number. So these are given here as test mobile number is in B2. The column number is for number, the column number is B4, and then the message of the body is in B5. So we will put it here, B2, B3, B4. Then the account ID, password and API are in 6, 7, 8 column, are in B6, B7 column, B8 column, and the username, password and column number are being put here. And now we just have to fill the file column number, which is in B9. So file column number is this, we have to change it to B9, and now we have to save it. Now we have to go to view section, and there is an option show manifest file. We have to select it, and when we will select it, so we have to copy this section of the code there. These are just the permissions which are required to send the messages, so we just have to paste it here. And now we have to put the trigger, we have to add the trigger in this script. From here, add trigger, we have to select the function name, which is make it simple. Then in event source we have to select the time driven option, and then minutes timer in time based trigger, and then we will recommend you to select every 5 minutes, but right now I am selecting it for every minute. Then we have to save it, and our job is done. And now you will see that you can send messages instantly. Now we have to close it. This is saved. This is again, let's be sure that it is saved. So now our job is done, and now we can see that all these messages are sent and their date and timings are being shown here. So let me show you my WhatsApp also, that how we have received the messages. So this is the body. Hi, the name of the person, then email ID of the person, then we wish you a very happy Holi, the main content of the message, thanks, and then the company's name. These are all these informations which I have put it here. So this is the whole process. I hope everything should be crystal clear. If you have any queries, so please do let us know, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.